shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, grab your coffee and relax because I'm about to take you on my updated glam master bedroom. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I absolutely love to add different ideas in this room. I love adding different pops of colour, and in today's video I love adding the colour blush pink.
It's me and my friends, these are the good times. I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me get.
I love to use accent pillows in my master bedroom, like this beautiful one that says the word blessed that I recently picked up from TK Maxx.
It's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive.
I love to add inexpensive ways to really change the look of my bedroom without having to spend a fortune. I like just adding a new throw and a new accent pillow, and maybe adding some art above my bed that has very similar colours.
I'm just gonna drive.
When styling my bed, I always try to go for some sort of neutral colour on the bed itself. Here I've gone for a gold pintuck duvet cover that I recently picked up from my house here in Australia. I love how this gold will go with everything. So if I took away all the pink, I could add pops of navy possibly. You could even do turquoise, or you could even do a very rustic brown. The possibilities are endless, and I love picking things that have a neutral colour.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
My master bedroom definitely has a very glam feel about it. As soon as I walked in this home, it had this pinstriped feature wall wallpaper, and it had the silver light fittings. I knew straight away that this would be the perfect look for a glam master bedroom.
Break me, try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Guys, when styling your master bedroom, regardless if it is glam or not, I always say go with what your heart is telling you. If there is a particular theme that you have in mind and your mind's telling you that that is where you want it to go, your vision will come together as long as you stick to what your heart is saying.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when
You can certainly get overwhelmed when styling any room, but if you go with your vision and what your heart's telling you, I guarantee you will be happy with the result.
I wanna drive a faster car, nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
If space is an issue in your room, I like to have my bed as the focal point. So I'm one of those people, guys, that like to open the door and the bed head is looking at me. I feel like the bed is the focal point of the room, and that's where you're going to dress things up. So regardless of the size of the room, always have it looking at you.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
My glitter canvas above my bed is a purchase from TK Maxx Australia. However, I just recently did a DIY on these guys. So if you'd like to save some money, I recommend checking out that video that I'll leave linked down below.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Guys, with the Easter season almost upon us, I love these little glitter bunnies that I recently picked up from Woolworths.
Can't get a hold of my obsession. I just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh.
The glitter canvas above my Hollywood mirror is from Big W.
Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up.
And sitting proudly on top of my ottoman is this beautiful bunny, which also was from TK Maxx.
Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh. Wake up, break up. Wake up, break up.
Guys, I absolutely love watching room tours on YouTube. It gives me so much inspiration when it comes to decorating my own home. I'm hoping that by sharing this video with you, you'll also get some inspiration when decorating your bedrooms.
Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate your master bedroom glam.
Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my
So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Do what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
But you inside my head, inside my head.